so in this video, we are going to practice matching in the bank feeds. Now, this exercise that's going to be over here on the right-hand side, this is part of the Fast and Easy QBO Starter Kit. If you want a little more information about it, be sure to click on the link below in the description. Let's dive right in and see what our scenario is today. You have agreed to help Craig compare the transactions recorded by his bank to the transaction he has recorded in his QBO account. So let's see how to do this. You will need to be in the sample company, which is what is over here on the left-hand side. This is the dashboard. If you're not sure how to get into the sample company or get your own free QBOA account, be sure to click on the link below in the description. Let's go ahead and get started with the exercise. From the left navigation bar, we're going to hover over transactions and then click on bank transactions. That is over here, left nav bar, hover over transactions and then select bank transactions. We also happen to have that as a bookmark here, so that could have clicked it there as well. Now you will get this little pop-up here. It's a little guide from QBO just saying, hey, this is what this area is about. You can go ahead and click out of that pop-up for right now. Now you'll notice here that there are 3 tiles. There's 1, 2, and if I click this arrow over, there's this third one as well. These represent Craig's 3 bank/credit card accounts that are connected to his QBO account. The first one, which is the checking, is blue, and that's because that is the one that is currently selected. Now, the orange 25 right here, that is there, are the 25 transactions in the checking feed that are ready for review. You will also see this number in the For Review tab, which is right there as well. So we're going to take a look at the bank feed here. We're going to scroll through the list to find the Hicks hardware transaction. On the bank side, a check in the amount of $228.75 has cleared. On the QBO side, Craig previously entered check number 75 for this exact amount, and so it's a match. So let's scroll down and see if we can find that Hicks hardware. You want to be looking in this payee column right here. I see Hicks hardware, and there's that $228.75 and that check 75 that we mentioned right here. So this is a match. You can go ahead and click on the blue match link there. And now that transaction shows as matched. If I scroll back up to the top here, you will now see that there are only 24 transactions that are needing to be reviewed because we just matched the one. So now let's scroll through a little bit more. We're going to look for Pam Sites transaction. Let's go ahead and find that. We're going to look in the payee field, and it looks like Pam is close to the top here. Now this time there are 2 transactions in QBO that might be a match. So which one is it? We're going to click View to see more details. So it's this one right here. You can see that it says 2 matches found versus 1 match found. So let's see what's going on. Click on the blue View to have it expanded. Now, when QBO initially looks for a match, it searches by amount, not what is in the bank detail, which right now is also saying Pam Sites. So there are 2 transactions for this amount, which is why it says that there are 2 matches found. Again, it's searching by amount, and there's a 75 for both of those, 2 different vendors, but the same amount. But when we look closely at both options, you can clearly see that one transaction was for Pam Sites and the other one was for Books by Bessie. So we need the one for Pam Sites to be selected, which it already is, and then we're going to click on Match. So go ahead and click on the green Match button. And now that transaction has been matched. And as you see, that it's going down for review because every time we're matching it, this number is going to continue going down. And that's it. As a bookkeeper, one of your jobs is to go through each of the transactions from the bank and attempt to match them to already existing transactions in QBO. But what happens if you don't find a match? Well, that's covered in our basic level certification course. There's information below in the description if you want to learn more about this. But that's it. That's how you would, the process you would go through in processing the bank feeds. Again, this exercise is part of the Fast and Easy QBO Starter Kit. If you would like more information about it, be sure to click on the link below in the description, and I will see you in